Okay, why does this video make people so angry? I just posted this video here on YouTube about, 2 months ago. It got like 2.5 million views, over 5,000 comments. And it's the one where the homeowner calls in a contractor to fix a leak, and the contractor comes over with his RYOBI tools, and then he doesn't want to hire him because it's RYOBI tools. He's a RYOBI contractor. And there's a lot of people that I've nothing against RYOBI at all. I mean, if you guys want, I will literally take you out to my garage right now and show you in my trash can right now all my RYOBI tools. Like, I have quite a bit of them. So anyways, I'm not dissing on RYOBI at all, but I did ask AI to read some of the comments for me, and then I also asked AI to respond to some of the comments for me. So check it out. It's pretty funny.
I buy RYOBI and spray paint them red. Everyone leaves me alone. There's a lot of angry comments from dudes with a garage full of, new RYOBI tools here. It ain't the tool, it's the man behind the tool. Sure, I guess that makes sense, Tom, as long as your tools are not breaking down so you can finish the job. My brother swapped the shells of his RYOBI and Milwaukee drill and let my dad use them. My dad preferred the RYOBI, thinking it was a Milwaukee. Said he could feel the significant difference in power. Sure thing, Steve. This would be a good story if you could actually do this, but unfortunately one would not fit inside of the other. The funniest part is Milwaukee and RYOBI are both made by TDI. Cool story, Brandt. And BMW owns Mini and Rolls-Royce. Fiat owns Chrysler, Dodge, Ferrari, Jeep, Lancia, Maserati, and Ram. These are all the same as well. Milwaukee Impactor. I like good tools. Milwaukee travel mug. I am a tool. Not gonna lie, that's pretty funny. I use RYOBI for my electric yard tools as needed. They are great. Well, that would explain why your yard looks like crap, Gary. The tools don't make the man work, the man makes the tools work. Okay, sure. I mean, if you're talking about a screwdriver or a hammer, maybe. Thanks for the wisdom, Kyle.
Okay guys, one last time. Here's the video again. Remember, it's just a joke. Have some fun with it.
Yeah, there's a problem.
Oh my god, it's actually worse than I thought. Are you alright?
Yeah, it's really hot.
Yeah. You good?
Do you need a garbage can or?
For what? Like the scraps or like?
Oh, I guess you brought your kid to work today? Where's the little guy?
I don't have any kids.
No.
What do you mean?
Oh, you got the RYOBI.
Yeah, they're good, man. For the price point, they're great. Like working with these is just fantastic.
Yeah, no,
yeah. No, they're awesome.
Yeah. You know what? After looking at this, I think I'm okay with it. It's kind of growing on me.
Yeah? Just the water damage in your house you're fine with?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I think I'm okay with the water damage in the house. I've been looking at getting an indoor pool. The kids would love it.
I could do this right now. It'd take me like 30 minutes, not it?
Yeah. No, it's good. I like this how it is now.
Yeah, you'll inhale the mold that's just coming down your walls?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
So, thanks for coming by.
Yeah.
Thanks for the quote.
Yeah. Anytime, if you need anything else.
Of course. Yeah.
Yeah, let me
I have
know.
your card.
Okay. Because I got all the tools to
I know.
fit.
I see that.
Okay, so we're at Home Depot. Let's just take a look at this. Tell me if your Home Depot is the same, but we have all this stuff, all these tools locked up. We have the, DeWalt. We have the Milwaukee, Makita over there, Rigid, all locked up. And we got RYOBI. And, someone actually tried to steal one. Oh, no, it didn't come with a battery. Leaving that there. Before we end this video, let's go ahead and look at some of the smoking deals that RYOBI has going on right now at Home Depot.
So a lot of people have been asking what free tools you get with the RYOBI Days promo. So let's take a look at some of the options.
How about this RYOBI half-inch drill with a limited lifetime warranty? Disclaimer, not for mixing mud. Or even better yet, this smoking deal on this new RYOBI circular saw.
Just to clarify, this is just a joke. Haha, funny, For the record, I don't hate RYOBI. For goodness sake, my favorite color is green. The only thing that I hate is Christmas.